I'm Curtis Howerton, and on this video of Staying Connected with Birkey's, we're going to discuss requesting remote assistance on a 1200 monitor. In an AFS Connect tractor with the Pro 1200 display, if you have a fault code and would like a technician to take a look, we can go to the Applications box and select Remote Assistance Services. To do this, we must have the tractor keyed on, not running. The engine cannot be running. And then we will hit Request Assistance. It's going to give us a brief step here. It's going to connect to the server. It will do this via the cell connection. Once it connects to the server, it will give us a 4-digit code. This code can be used by any technician with the Remote Assistance Services tool, the RST, on their electronic service tool. Access code for this machine would be 3911, and then the technician can sign into the machine, check fault codes, update software, and diagnose any issues. Thank you for watching. For more information, contact Birkey's.